Hey, I'm David Hulka on the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team of West USA Realty, and behind me you'll see 11138 East Tumbleweed Avenue in Mesa. Let's make sure I don't get hit by any cars out here. And let me go ahead and just flip the camera around because you don't care what I look like, do you? You want to see this house. Let's go check it out. Here is the neighborhood. There's the house, again, 11138 East Tumbleweed Avenue in Mesa. This is East Mesa. It's about Ray Road, between Ray Road and Williamsfield. Mountain Road is right out there, and I think it was Signal Butte, just west of here. Queen Creek School District. This house was built in 2017. Got a nice patio area here. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus this little man cave or den, whatever you might want to call that here. 20 square feet. Again, built in 2017, so it's, what's that, 5 years old. Got a sparkling pool in the backyard. We'll get to that in a minute. Check out this beautiful kitchen. Obviously, granite countertops, gas top stove, dual sinks. The refrigerator is stainless steel, it stays. You've got the walk-in pantry over there, open floor plan. 20-inch tile on the floor. Beautiful flooring throughout the house. Hey, look, there's $1 on the floor. Thanks, Robert. I appreciate you leaving me $1. Anyway, gas stove and a big island here that you can put bar stools up to. Dual sink there, undermount. Look at all the cabinet space in this house. Lots and lots of cabinet space besides just the pantry.
If this is your first time to our channel, my name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team, and we make videos all about Arizona. So if you're thinking about relocating to the Phoenix metro area, all of my contact information is down below. Okay, let's get on with the tour of this spectacular home for sale in Mesa, Arizona.
By the way, this beautiful mounted TV will stay with the house. Let's go ahead and go out to the backyard right away. Covered patio, facing north. Sparkling pool, PebbleTech. Does have water features, I don't have them on right now. But artificial turf back here, self-cleaning, got the pop-ups in there so it's self-cleaning. Going into the primary suite here again, beautiful carpeted flooring, ceiling fans in every bedroom, nice paint throughout. Very good size for a master bedroom here. Dual sinks. Shower. This is the private toilet room. I just don't need to film that, do I? The master closet, very good size. Let's go, and it's a split floor plan too, so we've got to walk down a different corridor to get to the other 2 bedrooms. Going down the second corridor are the other 2 bedrooms. So it is a split floor plan. They're using this as an office, but as you can see, perfect flooring here, perfect carpet, ceiling fan. There's your closet. Bedroom number 3. Your guest bathroom. By the way, I'm not going to go into the garage either, but it's like a 2.5 car garage with a water softener, tankless hot water heater. So lots of features on this house. Send this video to anybody you know, but there you go. And the price on this house is $595,000. It's brand new on the market. If you know anybody looking for a beautiful house in East Mesa, Queen Creek School District. It reports to Eastmark High School.
As promised, that was a beautiful home for sale in the Valley of the Sun. If you want more information and or a no obligation private tour, reach out to me. Again, my contact information can be found in the description below. Maybe you just want to surf all of the legally listed and currently available homes in Arizona. Our website is there as well. Take your time, enjoy. As a matter of fact, watch a couple other videos on our channel. We have Arizona hiking and golfing, the top 10 lakes, Phoenix real estate market updates. You name it, our channel has it. And if it doesn't, leave us a comment. We'll get right on making it for you. Until next time, please take care of yourself. God bless America. Talk to you soon.